Today is Friday. Dip by Friday, baby. March the 10th, 2023. This is day 45 of my $100 account challenge. Look right here. I drew the support and resistance points. It banged it identical, and here it is moving up. First, here's my non-disclosure or my warning. However you want to take it. I am not a financial advisor. This is a guy on the internet who trades stocks and simply chronicalizing my trade process to look back at it at the end of the year and see what I was constantly doing right, constantly doing wrong, and build on that. You're never too old or never too long trading or doing anything to get a refresher or learn something different or learn from your mistakes. So here's my current 4 watch list, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you look here, you would see I'm watching out the, oh, that popped up out of nowhere, EFSH. So EFSH popped up. I'm going to add it right here. There's no pattern over here. EFSH. That's trash. Not trading that. I'll add to my watch list though. I think I have about $66 available to trade today. Make sure. Yeah, I do. Because I had a loss of 10 bucks almost the other day. I'm sorry, 8 bucks the other day. It happens, man. I gotta quit doing stupid stuff. I knew not to trade the stock. I bought it anyway. I lost because of it. Right here, I'm liking what this SI is doing. You check for news. It has news for sure. MTEM. No news, but it's job growth. Bird Global. Revenue. Just the EBITDA. Yeah. Sales. And BNET. BNET. Sector. Barnes & Nobles. Barnes & Nobles. They still open? Alright, so SI. I have it right here. I'm watching it. I could have bought a green move. You know, I could have bought it back here. But it's only 9/11. As you know by now, it's not my time to trade. However, I'm watching it closely for a buy. So I'm looking right now, maybe a buy about 350. If it crossed my point, I'm looking at right now. But it must be support. Let me check the daggone share float. SI. SI has a 26 million share float. MTEM. Come on now. Everything's going slow this morning. MTM 54 million share float. ERDS. $218 million share float. Barnes and Nobles. $219 million share float. So yeah, a lot of share floats around here. So currently when I would trade would be these two. Why? Because they got the most activity. It's closer to $1. This one is. It's already up. Shoot, well, it was up to almost 100%. So about 85% it raised up, then it pulled back. This one here is up 284, not much at all. Neither of them up 50% right now. 29%, 24%. APPH, what's that about? EFSH, APPH. Ah, I missed that one. That's a nice little move right there. Harvest estimate. Earnings per share. They lost 40 cents, which more they posted loss. EPS, earnings per share. I'll put it at 76 cents. And I'll put it right there at 84 cents. I'll put it up there. It's about to cross over. Right now, nothing worth buying right now for real. Gotta watch what pops up. What phase come from? TCON, phase and TCON. Always update your watch list. It's 9:15 right now. Wow, that popped pretty good. Almost 10 cents on a stock less than $1. That's a pretty good move. But from down here, it was 1, 2, 3 green candles in a row. Went from 83 cents to 99 cents on a less than $1 stock. Watch for the red to green move right here in SI. See this line that got drawn? It just broke it. Now it became resistance. Not quite worth buying yet. It's still pulling back. Over here it's saying the 1, 2 ABCD, right? Over here, we need the first green. That was an all sell candle. We need the green buy candle now. So nothing worth buying right now before 9:30, I'm sure. That something pops up out of nowhere. Update my other account. APPHFACE. KTRA, CNXA. KTRA, CNXA. Where'd that come from? Oh, I smell something burning for a second. See this bottom right? That's why I don't buy earnings right out the gate. You buy the hype, sell the news, right? If I'd have bought that first, second candle, I could have made 7 to 8 cents, right? But it's probably gonna flunk the rest of the day. What we got going on right here? You know what? Watch MTEM. What we doing? So 66, I can buy 100 clearly. So I would scale in 50 and 50. But see, this is kind of dangerous. Higher than expected U.S. job growth. But see, this only has like a 10 or 15 cent immediate window. You can hop in about 62 and then roll it from there. Watch this right here. It pops this point, this previous red. It runs to 70 cents, maybe a little higher. Before market opens to go to 85, high of day. BRDS, red to green move, right? You know I love by now red to green move. The problem is, that's only a 1 cent move. I'm gonna get rid of that stock. It's not moving enough for me. I need bigger moves than 1 cent or 2 cents. That's not really helpful to me. Yeah, if I bought 10,000 shares, get 1 cent, yeah, you got $100 bucks. That's not a lot of money for the amount of money you put into it. Risk to reward ratio. So meanwhile, I'm still watching this SI. They want to pull back though. Continue to watch the pullback. VWAP is at 340. 341 actually, the VWAP. See the crossover? Yeah, that's terrible. I wasn't even in the right time frame. I looked at the price and realized I wasn't even near. I said, well, I'm way over to the right. Yeah. Yesterday, same thing. It pulled back, all them reds from market open. Market close, rather. Just went across sideways the whole morning. Yesterday night, in the morning. And here we are, popped up on news. So you're telling me everyone knew news was coming out for earnings, right? And it basically popped the same exact point as it was yesterday at 145. So people knew the earnings coming out was going to be better than expected. But they sold off still and then bought lower price. Ran up for the earnings, got out of it, and now it's done for the day. I can almost guarantee you, wait, it's the wrong stock. I can almost guarantee you the stock here won't do much today at all. Because of that pattern right there alone telling me it was anticipated run up this morning. Sold off, channel, bought this morning, ran up. Now set off again. Look at the history. That's probably some pump and dump news. It was 24 bucks just last month. $216.23. The $24 share per share. Now it's $2 per share or $3 per share. What happened? Well, you know what happened? Look at the news. Go back to last month. Look about after 216. Which you go back here. Can't go that far back, can we? Let me get rid of my charts. Nope. Something fishy. That's the smallest float out of all these stocks. I don't like nothing. I don't like nothing. STING. What's that about? No news. It's ran on no news. Popped up for no news. Is it a pattern play? Could be. Contract expiring? Could be. Just ran like that for no reason. And it's still going for no reason. For top line results from Fast CTX trial. Like it has a bunch of news popping in. See this? Every 3 or 4 days seem like some news pop in. Just stop right here. Tesla, Amazon, Pacific, Woodside Energy. Singular, these top 5 investor attention today. It's kind of weird, right? I have a line draw. I must have traded it before. We draw a line there. And then leave it right there for now. Nothing worth buying. Drink my coffee. It's 9:25 almost. This line was already drawn. Don't force trades. Don't force trades, right? CING is right here. Popped up. I already saw it. Kind of late to the party though. My scanner is kind of late to the party. Oh, I see what it did. It showed me a red to green move. So in that case, it was right on time. See, I said earlier, APPH can run up in one candle, pull back and dump. There it is. Buy the hype, sell the news. Here we are now forming the channel. 1, 2, 3 green candles in a row. See what it's doing? This whole channel from here to here. I can draw this right here. Check this out. Watch this. I'm gonna add a drawing. I'm gonna add a regression channel. So technically, look what it did. It hit the channel, popped in it, popped out. Now it should go. So I technically can buy it right here. 66 divided by, I said 350, right? 19 shares. Missed the buy, trying to do, see, I could have bought it right there if I'd have watched. So get 5 right there. And a pullback, get 5 more. Pull back. Pull back 340. Oh, I'm too low. And 10. I want 5 more at 340. There we go. All right, now I got 15. So I'm in 343 average. I'm gonna get out 15 to 358. I'm gonna buy a couple more still. We gotta fight through right here. Couple more, scaling in. That 40 wall, something serious. That 40 wall, something serious, huh? Good, good, good. Okay, now I got 18. Get rid of that. Now I got 18. 18 at 342 average price. They go to market. I took 11 cents, right? No, that's wrong. It's EXT, ain't it? 18. I'm not looking right now. I'm over here looking at something else. I'm watching. My sell orders in. I'm looking at my large account right quick. Trying to see something. Let me get rid of this drawing. This drawing throwing me off. Reversed over on me. Reversed over on me. I like nothing. Nothing worth. It failed me. It failed me horribly. Let's talk about this boy, SI. Get back to it in a minute. Stocks are trash this morning. Jesus H. MTEM. Jesus H. Let me see. This is trash all morning. BNet. BNet. CALA. What a trash morning. On a Friday? AGS gonna be one of them ones jumped at 784. I'm in 764. I want 784. Wow. What is View doing? UNCY. HGBL. Okay, what we got going on? Where's my something that's sold? I don't remember. View. My view is sold. My view is sold. SI. What SI doing? I don't even know. Lost track of it. $8? Wow, it faked me out. Right here, it faked me out. It popped up at 350. I wanted to get 350 right. So I got it in 340-ish, which was the VWAP. It ran up, popped up the gate, popped, and it failed. And we still falling right now. Golly. I knew not to buy it because I saw reversing, but then it faked me out in this move right here. I'm going to hold it for a couple minutes. So I'm already down 11%. My stop loss is 10%. Let me take off this sell order. I'm going to scale out of it. Jeez, man. Look down here. It failed me horribly. Been a weird freaking 2 weeks around here, man. I'm telling you. Jeez. Stock market been pure trash. We have job data this morning, which did well, yet the stocks are still failing. That's a big gap. See my line I got drawn here and line up there? That's a huge gap. Pick my loss, man. It's still failing. Wow. This is terrible. It sure faked me out. I knew better than do that too. That's terrible. That was a terrible trade. Probably one of the worst trades I've made in a very, very, very long time. I saw it put him back. I saw it crossing over. I didn't wait for the confirmation. And not doing that, it cost me. Wow. It's about to dump right here. It's about to dump. That's terrible. I said pre-market though. That pre-market I said it's not doing much of nothing. Doesn't want to move. Blah 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 blah. And then it is dumped. I said MTEM had to cross over 62 cents. Didn't do it. I said Sing gonna pump up and fail with no news. It did. I said this had earnings gonna pop in one candle, and that's it. It did. My dumb butt still bought this. Red on day, $9. So about 12%. Way too much. Have a good weekend.